Asparagus is on sale at Bash's this week for $1.47 a pound, and you can buy up to 6 pounds at that price. So I'm going to show you today a really super simple, tasty, crispy way you can make asparagus since it's so cheap this week. So what you want to do is you can grab a pound of asparagus and you want to cut off all the ends, so you've got your tips right here after you wash it, so make sure you wash it, cut it up, and then you want to take a bowl, get a little bit of olive oil. You want about a tablespoon of olive oil so it coats the asparagus. So the spices that you pour in here will stick to it. So now you're gonna put your asparagus tips in, roll it around so all that olive oil gets on there. And then you're gonna grab a little bit of Parmesan cheese. You wanna put in about a tablespoon. Now all this stuff I'm just measuring from hand because you can't really go wrong with that. And then you wanna put in a whole garlic clove, which is about a teaspoon of this. Throw that in there. Put about a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. Kind of coat the tips with that, and then you want to stick it in the oven after you spread this out on a pan, and you want to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes until the tips are soft but yet crispy at 425. And let me show you what your final product will look like. They're gonna look a little something like this. Yummy. And they're crisp, but they're not so hard. Love it. If you want more lifestyle tips, well, head to my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.